Alright, today I'm going to be comparing and contrasting the differences between the traditional snap mousetrap versus a baited mousetrap. Both of them can help eliminate your problems, but they both have their pluses and minuses. And I'll start with the traditional snap trap. Right here is a traditional snap trap. It has an arm right here, and basically you put bait right here, and the snap trap, once it's set off, traps the mouse, therefore eliminates the mouse, and you have to dispose of it. Now that's one of the cons with a traditional snap trap. You actually have to pick up the mouse and toss it away, apparently with gloves. Okay, so but the benefits of using a snap trap is that the mouse will not crawl back into its nest or into the wall, leaving a smell. Okay, you can actually dispose of the mouse and you won't have to deal with the smell that lasts generally about 2 to 3 weeks. Now, with the snap trap, however, this will typically only trap one mouse. I've heard stories where it traps 2 mice, but that's rare. So you would have to set many of these around wherever you're trying to eliminate the mice, and you will have to set a lot of them, and it will be seen. It's hard to be discreet with these types of mice traps. Okay, and then we're going to go on to the Tomcat baited mousetrap. Now with this right here, it's a block of poison. This particular trap is child and dog proof. It has a block of poison in here where the mice crawl into this hole, and once they crawl into the hole, they will eat this bait and then go back to wherever their nest is, and typically die. And a lot of times their nest is in a place where it's not easily accessible. Therefore, when the mice dies, it will actually leave a scent that will linger for a couple of weeks. So both of them are useful, and some people try to use both of them. They both have their benefits and their minuses, but it's up to you. If you have any questions about these two different devices, let me know. All right, thanks a lot for watching.